Ladies, listen closely because what I'm about to say might challenge you. If you think sitting at home replaying the same story, talking to one more person about your problems will give you peace, the answer is no. If you've had a fight with your husband and you keep repeating it, retelling it, exaggerating it, you're not healing. You're only making yourself more negative. The more you talk about negative things, the more negativity you attract. I'm not saying you shouldn't feel what you feel. You should. Process it, acknowledge it, and then let it go. Because in life, there are two kinds of stress. And the real question is, does your stress make you bigger or smaller? Stress isn't the enemy. The wrong kind of stress is. Let's talk about the first one. The stress almost everyone knows. The stress of stagnation. The stress of waking up every day feeling stuck. The stress of bills piling up. The stress of repeating the same arguments with your husband. The stress of doing the bare minimum because you're afraid to want more. It's the stress of shrinking your dreams so they fit your comfort zone. This stress destroys you quietly. It eats your confidence. It kills your creativity. It makes your world smaller and smaller until you feel like you're suffocating. But then there's the other kind, the stress of expansion. This stress is loud, it's uncomfortable, it's messy, but it builds you. It's the stress of taking risks, the stress of decisions that stretch your identity, the stress of investing in yourself even when it scares you, the stress of responsibility, not because you have to, but because you're becoming someone bigger. Let me share my story. When I started my business, I felt the stress of hiring my first employee, the stress of putting money into something without knowing the outcome, the stress of upgrading my environment, investing in better tools, taking bigger decisions, choosing evolution over fear. It wasn't easy, but it made me stronger, it made me sharper, and it made me wealthier, not just financially, but mentally and emotionally. Because expansion stress grows you, it stretches who you believe you are, it teaches you to trust yourself. And when you trust yourself, money starts trusting you too. The universe responds to who you become under pressure. So ask yourself today, which stress are you choosing? The stress that keeps your life small, or the stress that pushes you into the next version of yourself? Share this with your family and friends. Help them choose the right stress.